What's up guys? Good afternoon. This is our day 2 here in Japan. Today is June 4 and it's a bit hot today. And so now we just left our Airbnb and we're going to Gyanme Station. Going to parang pupunta ata kami ng Tokyo Stadium later. And kasama ko ngayon si Tito at si Mama. Kasi pupuntahan ni Tito ang kanyang friend, mag-meet up sila. And itutour kami later around somewhere. Hindi ko rin sure kung saan, pero check na lang natin later. So see you guys later. Yeah. Ayan tayo sa Panghuligya. So we're at station 19 and we're going to station number G03, number 29. At 6-3. So we're either going to baseball stadium or rugby stadium. So let's go. Exit 3. Exit 3 dito. Starbucks, oh. Us BMW. So for now, we're just chilling there at that coffee shop, and I ordered Kokuto latte, and it's very good. It's not that sweet, and parang gawa daw siya sa black sugar according sa Google. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're now here at the stadium and we're just trying to find a way to go inside the stadium. And what car is that? 928. Oh, National Stadium. Ganda ng stadium nila, no? So I just noticed yung isang kalye doon is where they mostly have a car meet around every Sunday morning. Yun yung nakikita ko sa TikTok eh. So sana Sunday makapunta to see the cars. And I saw a MP4 12C McLaren over there and a Maserati Gran Turismo, I think, or Ghibli. Tama ba to? It's like back rooms. So ito yung guide.
Hopefully we're lucky.
Ganda sana nung kita yung Mount Fuji, no?
Because at least items such as this.
Ay, yung mga signed wall na mga player, oh.
Left behind by. Ito yun.
Were taken during the 2020 Olympic Games. Mga signed wall.
On the vehicle track that encircles the field, called the Ring Road, signs written to dispel post-event tension, as well as signs written in a relaxed frame of mind. With the signs, the athletes also left heartfelt messages about their home countries in Japan, as well as their enthusiasm for participating in the Tokyo 2020 Games.
フィールドの周りを一周するように設置されたリングロードと呼ばれる
So after the signed wall, next part is the flash interview zone. And popost na lang naman nila to kung babasahin. Ayun na yung field, oh. Tokyo 2020 Victory Ceremony Podium. Tokyo. Neymar Jr. Tapos yung podium, pwede ka magpa-picture dyan. Next up is the torch. Grabe mo kung totoo. Alberto Zaccheroni, former Japan national football team head coach. Ganda ng wax figure, no?
Video mo.
Ayun yung torch, oh. National Stadium. Team dressing room number 2.
Ito yung dressing room namin.
Ito yung parang clinic.
Ito yung dressing room nila.
Oh.
These are souvenirs from different countries. So, hindi pa napupunta ng ibang bansa. The souvenir from different countries.
Ganito pala yung tsura ng ano nila, no? Dressing room ng baseball. Ay, CR. What is this? Ano meron dyan? Labas na lang din ito. Foot and ball. Ang ganda ng stadium nila. And maganda rin yung chair, oh. Look. Yung color. Tapos pwede ka magpa-picture dyan and doon. Tapos yung pang ano nila, pang running. Oh, naglilinis sila ng upuan, no? Imagine, no? Gano'ng kadaming upuan. Tapos biglang malilinisin nila. Ayan, akit na tayo.
Nice color.
So the capacity of the seating here at National Stadium Japan is 80,012, but during Olympics it's 60,102. Ito pala yung best view dito. For sure VIP seats or person with wheelchair, yeah. So the stadium is not open every day. They only have selected days that are open to public. And they are closed if there are activities like from school activities that they will do it here. So that will be closed for public and it's like a private activity. So next we're going to ewan ko kung saan to pupunta. So yung stadium nila is not open every day to public. Selected days only. And pag may activity daw dyan ng school, it's closed.
On the 4th floor.
Viewing areas on the 4th floor. Viewing deck. So ito daw yung city view na side. Yung kabilang side daw yung pwedeng makita yung Mount Fuji daw. Yun ang sabi.
Japanese.
Ano, no? Ang steep.
Nalulula ako.
Dapat yung hagdan. Yung parang dire-diretso baba.
Wala ka pala kasi sa akin. Ang sa bula.
Ganda na ano.
Acrophobia.
Yung structure ng ano, roof. Nakatago eh. Sayang hindi kita yung Mount Fuji. Ayun sa likod daw. Yung. Anyways, yeah. Player bench podium. Recaro National Stadium. Recaro. Ito yung mga ano yung upuan sa mga ano, sasakyan. Turf bench.
Bench after bench.
Ano to?
Turf bench.
Ano meaning nun?
You can sit here.
Goodbye Stadium.
You can fill out the questionnaire
What's that?
by reading the QR code
Great.
with your smartphone.
Simple
After
talk.
finishing the questionnaire, please show the completion screen at the ticket counter on the
Alright, goodbye Stadium. And now we're gonna go out and exit.
May rain.
City kasi.
I'm pretty sure this is the one of the famous streets if there are car meets, because there is a video on TikTok that I saw that every Sunday morning there are cars here to have a car meet. And earlier I saw a MP412C and a Maserati. So pretty sure I'm right. Dealership siguro to. So we're now here at Shimbashi Station. So I think we're gonna eat over there. That Japanese restaurant under the train. Yeah. Let's just wait for a moment under the tree. Mercure Hotel. Ganda. Alright guys, so we just left Shimbashi and now we're in Ginza because we're going to Onitsuka Tiger in Ginza. So see you guys later when we're outside. So we're now just walking and this is the famous Uniqlo that has 12 stories. But we're still gonna go walk further down to Onitsuka Tiger. Ang taas ng Zara, and we were there yesterday when we went to have my grandpa's watch cleaning at the 7th floor. So ayan pala yung building ng gawa ng watch. Tapos yung Onitsuka, kalapit lang pala sila. Diyan.
Oh, yata. Okay.
Aiden. So ito yung check natin. Size 10. Sana magkasya and maganda siya compared here, there, and there. Starbucks. And I ordered caramel macchiato. Hala, dami. Inubos yung macadamia. So we're here at our Airbnb na. And about the ano pala kanina, yung Onitsuka Tiger, wala siyang size 10. So we're gonna wait for them to have a stock of it, which is tomorrow daw. Kaso tomorrow sa Disneyland kami and hindi kami makapunta. So pinano namin Thursday. So parang naka-reserve na siya for me na isang ganong design? Shoes. Basta shoes yun. And medyo nahirapan na mag-vlog minsan kasi lalo na pag marami kaming binili and sobrang bigat pa naman nung minsan, tapos ang dami pa. Tulad nung kanina parang 4 na paper bag ng Onitsuka na sa akin eh. Tapos minsan yung mga tax-free pa na grocery. So yun. So yeah. So see you guys tomorrow na sa Disneyland. Thank you for watching and good night.